Welcome to the My 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. Over the next 30 days, we're going to work on resetting your relationship with food, helping you feel energized and empowered in your body, and teaching you how to embrace a sustainable way of healthy living that you can maintain long after the 30 days are up. We're so excited to have you here. Each day for the next 30 days, you're going to follow simple, satisfying, and delicious meal guidelines, hydration tips, and wellness prompts that will encourage you to be consistent rather than striving for perfection. And if you're new here, let me introduce myself. I'm one of the co-founders of a center. I'm a certified health coach, a writer and speaker. And with my partner, I've created a supportive online community of millions of people around the world who are all working towards the same goal, feeling their best in their bodies. We believe that feeling good in your body starts with what you put into it, which is why our goal with this 30-day eating plan is to help you make gradual changes to your diet that you can stick with for life. It's not about quick fixes or fad diets. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results over time. Now, here's the best part. There are no complicated recipes, expensive ingredients, or special equipment needed. We want this plan to be as accessible as possible because we believe that everyone deserves to feel their best. That's why everything you need for the entire 30 days is included right here within the app. So, what can you expect from this 30-day eating plan? First, you'll receive daily healthy recipes that are easy to prepare and full of flavor. These recipes are designed to help you discover new foods and cooking techniques while staying within your dietary preferences. You'll also learn about the importance of mindful eating and stress management, and we'll guide you through techniques that can help you listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. We understand that emotional well-being is just as important as physical health, so we've included daily reflections to help you cultivate gratitude, self-awareness, and acceptance. In addition, we'll provide helpful tips to help you read food labels, make informed choices when eating out, and prepare healthy meals on a budget. We know that knowledge is power when it comes to making lasting changes to your diet. So, we've included educational content that will teach you about the benefits of whole foods, the risks of processed foods, and how to make smarter food choices. But we're not just here to give you information. We want to be your cheerleaders and supporters every step of the way. That's why you'll have access to a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who are on the same journey as you. You can share your successes, challenges, and recipes with others, knowing that you're always in a supportive environment. We're committed to making this journey as enjoyable and effective as possible. So we've incorporated fun challenges, giveaways, and live events to keep you motivated and engaged. We believe that by the end of the 30 days, you'll not only have achieved your health and wellness goals, but you'll have developed a whole new mindset about nourishing your body. You'll have the tools and knowledge to make positive changes that you can maintain for years to come. So, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Take a moment to get excited, set your intentions, and get ready to feel amazing. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to being with you every step of the way. On this channel, we offer a wealth of additional resources to support your journey. Feel free to explore our videos, which include guided meditations, movement and exercise classes, sleep stories, and informative sessions on various health and wellness topics. We also offer a range of other health programs. And for those seeking deeper support, we have one-on-one coaching services available. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help and guide you on your path to overall well-being.